This is the advanced workshop for painting and drawing, which is a course that happens every term at Bennington. Students are working on independently designed projects. They do their own research, they find context for their work in contemporary art and art history, and they're making fabulous work. The way this class is structured is that students bring in work every week that they've been working on in their studio spaces. And we run a kind of graduate school style critique. And it's the end of the term right now. It's almost our last class, and we're over in the administrative building installing work from the term. Each of them has selected one painting, and we're making a group show.
I'm showcasing a painting I made for this class, and it shows some articles of clothing nailed to the wall. And generally I'm interested in the way that the feminine body is depicted in painting. So I wanted to make a painting about the body that didn't include a body, and through the critique I received, I think I've generated some really interesting ideas about how identity can be signified through clothing and accessories.
My painting is about the first repressions in the USSR that were done, that were targeting Khorasan diaspora, and they represent both the advantages that Khorasan gained in the fields and at the same time hardships that they had to go through to survive after being moved from Far East Soviet Union to the Central Asia.
I made a painting of my friend Grace, who's a sophomore, and what I do in my painting is I paint people of color, pretty much like black femmes, and I use religion and theory to rectify the black femme body and kind of make it holy again as a reclamation of sorts. I would describe my painting as being photo-based, so I look at a lot of the photos that I take myself and try to get as accurate as possible while also leaving a little bit of me there.
For this class, I have been only painting and drawing from the subject of my bedroom and my personal belongings and the dorm furniture that was assigned to me. So I'm trying to reconfigure that to make different compositions that are unexpected out of really commonplace and ordinary ingredients. In general, this class has been awesome because the group of students is really smart and making amazing things, and we're pushing each other, I think, to work bigger and more specifically and really elaborate in a very specific way on a body of work together. And I'm coming to the end feeling like I really have a peer group that understands what I'm doing and can speak to it and give me critical feedback that I trust.